off camera because I turned the phone around this way. Let's see right quick.
See.
I don't. We in here. All right. Hello to the crew. How y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Yeah, everybody in North Carolina. I know y'all having a blast. So sorry we couldn't be there, but you know what? We together.
We together.
Uh-huh.
In Michigan.
In Michigan. Okay? Okay? And we're gonna be together next week. We got some things to do. We're not telling you right now.
Yes, we do.
But we crafting buddies.
Yes.
Later, right? Deuces. I swear for sweet holy water, God will increase. Thank you, Uni, especially to you, for joining us two crafting sisters together. Y'all have fun in North Carolina, and we're gonna have fun while y'all gone in Michigan, okay? Love y'all. We'll watch you later. You know, we watching y'all though, right? We watching y'all. Enjoy.